Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you about solar system. Let's go. First of all, we're going to learn about sun. Do you know the sun is about 4.5 billion years old star? It is the center of our solar system. It is also called a giant fireball because it is made of hydrogen and helium. I will tell you about hydrogen and helium in my elemental video. Now we're gonna learn about planets. Do you know what is a planet? If you don't know, so let me tell you. A planet is a celestial body that orbits around the sun. There are 8 planets. We live on planet Earth. Let's learn their names. It's so easy. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. I know an easy way to remember these planets' names. You just have to say this famous line. My very educated mother just served us noodles. Thank you for watching and liking my video. Please subscribe my channel for more scientific videos. Bye.